Hello, today we will guide you through how to stop Zoom from opening on startup. If Zoom launches automatically every time you turn on your computer, it can slow down your startup process and add an extra app to your screen before you're ready to use it. The good news is that this setting is easy to change directly inside the Zoom app, and it only takes a moment. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Zoom window before moving on. If Zoom is already running in the background, you may need to bring the app to the front so you can access its menu options. Once Zoom is open, look toward the lower left area of the window and click on Settings. This is where Zoom keeps many of its app preferences, including startup behavior, notifications, audio, and other general options. Opening Settings is the first step to controlling how Zoom behaves when your computer starts. After that, click on General. The General section contains broad app settings that affect the everyday way Zoom works. This is usually where you'll find options related to launching the app, minimizing it, and other basic preferences. Next, scroll down through the General settings until you find the Auto Start option. Depending on your version of Zoom, the wording may be slightly different, but it should clearly refer to starting Zoom automatically when your device turns on or when you sign in. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct setting before changing it. When you find the Auto Start setting, click the toggle button to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, Zoom should no longer open automatically the next time your computer starts up. This change is usually saved right away, so there's typically no need to click a separate Save button. If you want to verify that the setting worked, you can close Zoom and check that the toggle remains off when you reopen the app. You can also restart your computer later to confirm that Zoom no longer appears on startup. That's all it takes to stop Zoom from opening on startup. It's a simple adjustment, but it can help make your computer feel a little cleaner and more streamlined when you begin your day. If needed, you can always return to the same general settings page and turn the option back on in the future.